Hi, my name is Tosin and I'm a pharmacist. In this video, I will be sharing with you 3 tips and tricks that I use with my patients that helps them delay developing hypertension for longer. And if they have developed hypertension, it ensures that they are able to control their blood pressure faster and for longer. Isn't that crazy? Coming up. Now, usually when I do these videos, I always like to debunk at least one myth. So today I'm going to be talking about the myth of age. There's no one that's too young to have hypertension. So it's important that you get regular checks and that you do these steps described in this video to ensure that you remain normotensive, that your blood pressure remains normal for a longer period of time. What is hypertension? Hypertension is frequently called high blood pressure. It is when an individual's blood pressure is higher, that it's elevated much more than what is considered normal for a person their age, their sex, and their race. Now, this elevation is not just in one clinic visit, it's usually in 2 or more clinic visits. So, it is persistent, sustained, elevated blood pressure above what is considered normal in that individual with relations to their sex, age, and race. If so far you've gotten any value at all, please smash the like button and subscribe so you can get more updates like this. Exercise, that's my first tip for you. Exercising for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity, 4 days in a week, is enough to reduce the systolic blood pressure by at least 4 millimeters of mercury. That's significant. Don't miss out on that. Okay? So exercise. Exercise is also good because it helps ensure that you keep a weight that is healthy for your age. Okay? So exercise helps you achieve 2 goals. Number 1, exercise reduces blood pressure on its own. Number 2, it helps you maintain your healthy weight, which also contributes to blood pressure reduction. For every 10 kg weight loss, guess what? You reduce minimum of 2 millimeters of mercury of blood pressure. Isn't that great? Now, while reducing your body weight, if you're moderately obese or morbidly obese, if you reduce your body weight to less than 25 kg per meter square, so you go to what is considered healthy, your blood pressure will likely go down by as much as 5 to, guess, 20 millimeters of mercury. So there are some people who will just lose weight and their blood pressure will appear. Get it? I did not say you will become normotensive, that you will not be hypertensive again. What I'm saying is your blood pressure will appear to go back to normal. When that happens, please do not stop your medicines. Ensure that you still continue them. Okay? My second recommendation today is diet. Diets that are rich in vegetables, in fruits, and low in fat protect the heart and contribute to reducing the blood pressure by as much as 8 to 14 millimeters of mercury. Come on, that's a lot. Some medicines don't even reduce your blood pressure as much as that. Imagine. So, some of the examples of diets that I can recommend are the DASH diet and the Mediterranean diet. Also, as part of your recommendations for diet, remember to maintain a low sodium diet. What does that even mean? It means that do not add salt to food either at the table or excessively while cooking. Very important, you do not need more than a pinch of salt a day in your diet. There are also substitutes for salt. I will link them up in the description below. Now, my third tip for you today is moderate use of alcohol. Now, if you do not drink, do not start drinking. There are no benefits. Now, if you currently drink, do not take more than 2 drinks for an adult male and 1 drink for an adult female. What does that translate to? So, 1 standard drink means do not take more than 12 ounces of beer, 8 ounces of malt liquor, 5 ounces of wine, and 1.5 ounces of proof alcohol, gin, vodka, rum, or whiskey. Now, there's no difference between beer and spirits, okay? What we're concerned about is the amount of alcohol that's in them. So whether you're taking beer or you're taking spirits, right? The reason why the recommendations for both is different is because of the content of alcohol that's in both of them. Don't be deceived by this one contains herbs and please, all that is bozos, right? So stick to the regulation. Don't take more than 2 servings of alcohol for male, adult male, and 1 serving of alcohol for adult female. Now that's all 3, but I want to give you one more, which is a bonus tip. And my bonus tip has to do with agbo, herbs. Now, should you use herbs in preventing or supplementing your medical therapy? There are some herbs that have been found to be useful or helpful in managing hypertension, but I recommend that before you start any one, speak with your medical doctor or speak with your pharmacist so that you can understand how these herbs or these natural supplements are going to interact with your medicines for your high blood pressure. Once they're certain that you can go ahead with that, please keep to the same brand and ensure that you monitor your own blood pressure regularly. So I'm going to be recommending that you get 1 blood pressure monitor. Getting a blood pressure monitor will make sure that you're able to check your blood pressure regularly, ensure you check your blood pressure at the same time every day, and share those numbers with your pharmacist or with your doctor when you go for your next appointment. That's it for today. But before I go, I want to remind you, if you got value in this video, please smash the like button. I do hope that you subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. God bless.